In this chapter, that is polynomials for class 9, we will learn a few algebraic identities, the derivation of those identities, and also we will learn how to use those identities to expand the particular expansion. So, expansion of identities we are going to learn in this polynomial chapter, that is the algebraic identities. Now, let us take the few identities which I have already studied. Now, let us see. First, in earlier classes, you have learnt about algebraic expressions, that is, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, using multiplication of binomials, we will learn a few standard identities. Now, let us know what is an algebraic identity. An algebraic identity is an algebraic equation that is true for all values of the variables occurring in it. Okay, that is the algebraic. So it's a standard form. Therefore, you can use it for all values of things. Now let us take the few identities we have studied in earlier classes. In the lower classes, you have learned a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? Means a plus b whole square means a plus b, a plus b, a plus b is multiplied 2 times. Now a plus b into a plus b. So a into the second bracket is a into a plus b plus b into the second bracket. So this is binomial multiplication. So a into a is a square plus a into b is ab plus b into a is ba plus b square. So now you see here ab ba is one and the same. So it is 2 times, therefore a square as it is 2ab plus b square. So a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is your first identity which you have already learned in lower classes. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. In a similar way, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a minus b into a minus b, which is a square minus ab minus ba plus b square. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is your second identity. Now, if you compare these two, if there is a positive sign, the middle term is positive. If the negative sign, the middle term is negative. The first and last term, because they are squares, positive and negative does not affect it. It will always be positive. So only you have to see that how to remember is a plus b whole square means put a plus sign in the middle term. If it is minus sign, a minus b, put minus sign in the middle term. Now let us take a third identity, a plus b, a minus b. The first bracket is positive, second bracket is negative, and the first and the second terms both must be same. A plus b, a minus b. Only the sign must be different. In that case, if you multiply a into a minus b plus b into a minus b, it becomes a square minus ab plus ba minus b square. Ba and ab both are same. One is having one negative, one is positive. They cancel. You are left with a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Now, the first term is same. The second terms in both the bracket is different. One is A, other is B. So when you multiply this, x into x plus b plus a into x plus b, that is x square plus xb plus ax plus ab. Now, if you see the middle two terms, you have a common term x. Okay, so write the x square plus, take out common x. The what is left? A plus b in the bracket plus ab. So x plus a, x plus b is x square plus bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. So these were the four identities which we have already learned them in lower classes, and by now you should be knowing it. Anyway, I showed you the derivation. I think now you will be able to recall what it is about and how it had been derived. Now let's go to the next thing. Now let us take a few examples using those four identities which you have learned. Now, question asked will be expand each of the following. That will be the way they will ask you, or expand and they'll write this question. Now, 5x plus 3y bracket raised to 2. So here, what is the identity you are going to use? A plus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you compare this with the given question, you have a is equal to 5x, and in place of b, you will have to write 3y. So a is equal to 5x and b is equal to 3y. So let's put it 5x plus 3y whole square is equal to 5x square plus 2 into 5x into 3y plus 3y whole square. So this is 5 square is 25. So x square. So 25x square. 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30 xy. 30 xy. 3 square is 9 and y square. So 25x square plus 30 xy plus 9y square is the answer for this particular. Now let us take with the negative sign. 2x minus 6y whole square. Identity to be used, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a is 2x, b is 6y. So 2x minus 6y whole square is 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 6y plus 6y square. So 2 square is 4x square minus 2 to the 4, 4 6 are 24 xy plus 36y square. Now the third identity, x plus 2, 5x plus 2 and 5x plus 7. The first two terms are same. Then other two terms a and b are different. So the identity to be used is x plus a, x plus b is equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So x is a 5x, a is 2 and b is 7. So 5x plus 2, 5x plus 7 is square plus 2 plus 7 into 5x plus 2 into 7. So here we get 5 square is 25x square, 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 5s are 45, 45x plus 7 2s are 14. So this is your answer as the expansion of the given question. Now let us try with some denominators, how it will be. 5x plus 1 upon 2x raised to 2. So if you see here, your identity is a plus b whole square. A is 5x and b is 1 by 2x. So 5x plus 1 by 2x whole square is equal to 5x square plus 2 into 5x into 1 by 2x plus 1 by 2x whole square. 5x square is 25x square. 2 and 2 will cancel. X and x also will cancel. Only 5 remains, so plus 5. Plus 1 square is 1. 2x square is 4x square. Okay, so this is your answer. Now if it is having like this, x upon 3 plus y upon 6 whole raised to 2. Plus sign, so it is a plus b whole square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is x by 3, b is y by 6. So x by 3 plus y by 6 whole square is equal to x by 3 whole square plus 2 into x by 3 into y by 6 plus y by 6 whole square. So x square upon 3 square is 9 plus x into y. This 2 3s are 6. 3 will remain. 3 3s are 9. So xy upon 9 plus y square 6 square. 6 6 are 36. So this is your answer. Now suppose we have roots. Root 5x minus root 3y whole square. Again minus sign it is. So it is a minus b whole square. So a is root 5x and b is root 3y. So if you put root 5x minus root 3y whole square is equal to root 5x whole square minus 2 into root 5x into root 3y plus root 3y whole square. Root 5 square is nothing but 5. So root 5 into root 5 is root 25, which is 5. So it is 5x square minus 2. Root 5, root should multiply with root. So root 5 into root 3 is root 15 x into y. Plus root 3 square is 3 and y square. So 5x square minus 2 root 15 xy plus 3y square. So now I think you would have understood how to handle if it's a form of a fraction or a root is given or whatsoever. Now let us take some more identities. Now this is identity which you are learning in this 9th standard. That is a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square means a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c. A should multiply with the second bracket. That means a into a plus b plus c plus b into a plus b plus c plus c into a plus b plus c. So it is a into a square plus a into b ab plus a into c ac. Second bracket plus sign is there, put a plus sign. B into a ba, b into b b square, b into c bc. Again plus sign. C into a ca, c into b cb, c into c c square. So let us write first the square terms first. A square, B square, and C square. Then AB, BA. They are like terms. AB, BA is one and the same. So AB plus BA is 2AB. BC plus CB is 2BC. AC and CA, they are again like terms. It is 2CA. So that means you get A plus B plus C whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. This is the expansion of A plus B plus C whole square. So this is the basic fundamental identity. But this identity could also be written in other forms. So other forms of this identity is, suppose of these three terms A, B, C, one of them is negative. Suppose C is negative. If C is negative, now in this, you see here, the terms which are having C, those two terms will become negative. So its expansion will be A. First three terms, because they are having squares, it cannot become negative. So A square plus B square plus C square, 2AB. A and B both are positive, so it is positive. But here C is negative, so this becomes negative, and this also becomes negative. So you what to do is you have to see which is the term which is negative among these two, which are the two terms which is negative. There you put minus sign. Now here, second case, B is negative. B is negative means these two terms are having negative, so put a minus sign this. The identity remains same. That is A square plus B square plus C square minus 2AB minus 2BC minus plus 2CA. There A is negative. A is negative means the terms containing A. This is having A, so minus sign here. This is also having A, put a minus sign here. So minus A plus B plus C whole square is A square plus B square plus C square minus 2B plus 2BC minus 2CA. Minus A minus B. Now both are negative. A is also negative, B is also negative. Then in that case, A square plus B square. A is negative, B is negative. Minus minus will become plus. Will become plus 2A. Here only B is negative, C is positive. Plus minus is minus. Minus BC. Here A is negative, C is positive. So minus plus is minus. So it will be A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB minus 2BC minus 2CA. B and C are negative. A square plus B square plus C square. Here only B is negative, so it is negative. Here B and C both are negative, so it becomes positive. Here only C is negative, so it is negative. In this case, A and C are negative. So if wherever A and C is there, that will be positive, and the remaining two terms will be negative. So A square plus B square plus C square. Here only A is negative, so it is minus 2AB. Here only C is negative, therefore it is minus 2BC. But here A and C both are negative, it is positive. So when you are solving problems, you will get questions of this nature. This is the basic identity. It could be in this form also. Some of the terms A, B, or C could be negative. Suppose if all three are negative, it comes back to this original identity. Okay? There won't be any difference. Now let us go to the next examples on this. That is based. So 5x plus 3y plus 4z whole square. Identity, what is it? A plus B plus C whole square is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB, 2BC, 2CA. So A is 5x, B is 3y, C is 4z. So let us put it in this identity. So it will be 5x square plus 3y square plus 4z square. 2 into 5x into 3y plus 2 into 3y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into 5z, 5x. So this becomes 25x square, 9y square, 16z square, 2 5 are 10, 10 3 are 30, 30xy, 30xy. 2 3 are 6, 6 4 are 24yz, 24yz. 2 4s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 40zx, 40zx. This is the expansion of this identity. Now see here, 2x minus 6y plus z whole square. Your b term is negative. Okay, and b term is negative. The terms containing b should be negative. These two signs are negative. Put the values. You are getting 4x square plus 36y square plus z square minus 24xy minus 12yz plus 4xz. Okay, so I think this is now let's go to the next. Suppose here one of the terms is only a number, it does not have a variable. What it is? A plus b minus c whole square it is. A square plus b square c square plus 2ab minus bc minus 2ca. So it is 4p whole square plus 2q whole square plus 7 square plus 2 into 4p into 2q minus 2 into 2q into 7 minus 2 into 4p into 7. So it is 16p square 4q square plus 49. Here it is 2 fours are 8, 8 to the 16, 16p cube, 2 to the 4, 4 7 the 28q, 28q. And here 2 fours are 8, 8 sevens are 56p. Okay. Squares, p square minus q square minus r square square. So here identity is this. So a is p square, b is q square, c is r square. So square of the first term, that is p square square, q square square, r square square, minus 2 into p square into q square, plus 2 into q square into r square, minus 2 into p square into r square. So this is 2 power become p raised to 4, q raised to 4, r raised to 4, minus 2 p square q square, minus 2 p square q square, plus q square r square minus 2 p square r square. Okay, this is the expansion of this. Now, some more identities. Now, cubic power. A plus b whole raised to 2. A plus b whole raised to 3, sorry. A plus b whole raised to 3 means a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. A plus b multiplied 3 times. The bracket is multiplied 3 times. So what we do is, first let us put a bracket. First let's multiply the first two terms and then multiply with the second term. So it is a plus b into a plus b, which you already know. We have done this multiplication. So it is first two multiplication is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you have to multiply with the third bracket, that is a plus b. A into the second full bracket, b into the second full bracket. A into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a into a raised to 3. A into 2a is ab, 2a square b plus a into b square is ab square plus b into a square is ba square plus b into 2ab will be 2ab square plus b into b raised to 2 is b raised to 3. So let's write this cube powers first. A raised to 3 plus b raised to 3. 2a square b, ba square. A square b, a, ba square, they are same. So 2 plus 1, 3. It is 3a square b. Here also, ab square, ab square. AB square plus 2ab square is 3ab square. So a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. You can take out common from these two. It becomes 3ab is common. So a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3ab bracket a plus b. This becomes a third power expansion. So a plus b a cube is this. Now we'll do it for minus a minus b whole cube. Again, we take group the first two terms. We will get a square minus 2ab plus b square into a minus b. Multiply them. We are getting a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Take minus sign, take common. So it becomes a raised to a minus b whole cube is equal to a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. So these are the two identities you introduced in ninth standard. So I think now you know the derivation. Now you know the identities. You need to use these identities to solve the examples. Let us take one or two examples. 2x plus 3y whole cube. Identity is a plus b whole cube is equal to a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3ab into a plus b. A is 2x, b is 3y. So a 2x plus 3y whole cube is 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube plus 3 into 2x into 3y bracket 2x plus 3y. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, x raised to 3. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, y raised to 3. Plus 3 to the 6, 6 3 is 18, 18xy, 18xy into this bracket as it is. Write the first two terms. 18 into 2 is 36. There is an x here, there is one x inside also. So it becomes x square y. Plus 18 3s are 54. There is y here inside and one y outside. So it becomes 54xy square. Okay. Now let us take this another problem. X upon 3 minus plus y upon 6 whole raised to 3. So it is identity, same identity. So A is equal to x upon 3, B is equal to y upon 6. Let's put it there. You get x upon 2, 27, x raised to 3 upon 27, y raised to 3 upon 216. Here you see a 3 cancels. Okay. So x, y. That means x square y upon 6 3s are 18. X square y upon 18. Here 3 cancels. 6 6 are 36 in the denominator. X, y into y is y square. X, y square upon 36. So this is the expansion of this. Okay. Now, let us take the negative one. 4x minus 6y whole cube. Identity is a minus b whole cube. That is a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3. That is minus 3ab into a minus b. A is 4x, B is 6y. So 4x cube minus 6y whole cube minus 3 into 4x into 6y. 4x minus 6y. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64x cube, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216y cube. Here 3 4s are 12, 12 6 are 72xy, 4x minus 6y. So this is right, this is 72 into 4 is 288 x square y minus minus because plus here and 472 into 6 is 422 xy square. Now a number is given, you are asked to write the cube by using the identity. So 98. 98 you can write as 90 plus 8 or you can write 100 minus 2. So 100 minus 2 is much far easier for calculation. So we prefer 100 minus 2. 100 minus 2 whole cube. In this case, identity a minus b it is. So a minus b whole cube is equal to a raised to 3 minus b raised to 3 minus 3ab into a minus b. So here what we have, a is 100, b is 2. So 100 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 100 into 2 to 100 minus 2. 100 cube means how many zeros are here? There are 2 zeros. 3 times you'll have to put. So 2 zeros, 1 pair, second pair, third pair. So the calculation becomes easy. That's why we always take in terms of tens, hundreds, thousands, so that this expansion is easy. Otherwise, 90 into 90 into 90 will have to multiply. That could be a problem. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. 2 threes are 6, 6 into 100, 600 in 100 in minus 2. So write this number 1 and 6 zeros. 8, 600 into 100 is 6 and 4 zeros. Minus minus plus 600 into 2 is 1200. Now this is positive, this is positive. Let us add these two numbers. Put us. So this becomes, and so this is unit in 10 lakhs 1200, and this is 60,000 plus 8, 60,008. Subtract the 2, you get 94,000, 9 lakhs 41,192. This is the, that means 98 into 98 into 98 will give you this as the answer. So you can use identity to solve big numbers to expand them and find a value. So that is one other way of doing it. Now another identity. Now see this, a plus b plus c, and second bracket has got a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So we have to expand this. A into the second bracket multiply plus B into the second bracket plus C into the second bracket. So if you see A into A square is A raised to 3. A into B square is AB square. A into C square is AC square. A into AB is minus A square B. A into BC is minus ABC minus A into CA is CA square plus, put the sign, B into A square is BA square, B into B square is B raised to 3, B into C square is BC square, minus B into AC is A minus AB square, minus B into BC is minus B square C, B into CA is minus ABC. Now here again this third bracket, C into A square is CA square, C into B square is CB square, C into B C square is C raised to 3 minus C into AB is minus ABC minus B into C into BC is minus BC square minus C into CA is C square A. Now if you write down, write the cube powers first. A raised to 3, B raised to 3 and C raised to 3. Write all the three. Now you see A B square. Okay, AB square, you see where it is, another AB square, A square B. Okay, AB square, all AB square is here, AB square, AB square. Okay. AB square is here, AB square is here. This is positive, this is negative, they cancel. AC square, AC square, AC square. This and this cancels. A square B minus A square B plus A square B. This cancels. C A square, C A square or A square C. C A square, positive, negative. So like that all the terms they cancel and only you are left with minus ABC minus ABC minus ABC 3 times. Because it is 3 times, so it becomes A raised to 3 plus B raised to 3 plus C raised to 3 minus 3ABC. So that means A raised to 3 plus B raised to 3 plus C raised to 3 minus 3ABC is equal to A plus B plus C, first bracket, second bracket, A square plus B square plus C square, minus AB minus BC minus CA. So this is a special identity. Now let us take an example on this type. Here, 3x plus 2y plus 2z. In second bracket, 9x square 4y square. That means this is the square of the first term. This is the square of the second term. This is the square of the third term. And multiply these two. 3 2s are 6xy. 6xy minus 4y. So it is. So the expansion will be, so it is a 3x plus 2y plus 2z, a square, b square, c square, 2b, 2c, 2ca. So this is of the form a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square, minus ab minus bc minus ca. That is, it should be equal to a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus c raised to 3 minus 3abc, where a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 2y, c is equal to 2z. So the answer will be 3x cube plus 2y cube plus 2z cube minus 3 into a is 3x into 2y into 2z. 3 cube, that means 27x cube. 2 cube is 8y cube. 2 cube is 8z cube. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. X, Y, Z. 36 X, Y, Z. So this is the expansion of this. This is such a big term. When you multiply, you get this as the answer. Let's take one more example with one of the terms negative. I have taken 6 as negative here. 6 is given negative. So here you see, this is 4x plus minus 6y. B is negative term. C is 2z. So 4x whole square minus 6y whole square plus 2z whole square minus 4x into minus 6y minus minus 6y into 2z minus 2z into 4x. So identity which is used is this. So it should be a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus c raised to 3 minus 3abc. Where a is 4x, b is 6, minus 6y, c is 2z. So it is 4x whole cube plus minus 6y whole cube plus 2z whole cube minus 3 into 4x into minus 6y into 2z. 4 4 are 16, 16 4 is 64, 64x cube. Now minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 216. Minus 3, there are 3 minus. So minus into minus is plus, plus into minus is minus. So it becomes minus 216y raised to 3. 2 cube is 8, z raised to 3. Now there is a minus sign here, there is a minus sign here. Minus minus will become plus. Okay. 3 4s are 12. 12 6 are 72. 72 2s are 144. 144 xyz. Understood? If there is a minus sign, that term which is negative will have a minus sign before it because cubic power 3 minus will make it minus only. Next. This is a special sum is here. Here values of x plus y plus z is given. X plus y plus z is 8. xy plus yz plus zx is 20 is given. He wants you to calculate the value of x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus z raised to minus 3xyz. The moment you see this, don't you remember this identity just now which we have done? X raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus z raised to 3 minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z. X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now here in this question, x plus y plus z is given, the value is given, no issue. This 3 when we put them to in a bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz, because we have taken minus sign outside, this 2 will become 1. This value is also given as 20. Now I need to find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. So clearly we know the value of x square, this and this. We require the values of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square, and xy plus yz plus zx. The values of these two is given. We have to calculate x square plus y square plus z square. So here we use the identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. X square plus y square plus z square, bracket, let us put this in, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 is common, take out 2 common, xy plus yz plus zx. X plus y plus z is 8, so 8 square. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2, this value is given as 20, so 20. So 8 8 are 64, x square plus y square plus z square plus 40, 22 to 40. Take 40 this side, 64 minus 40 is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. This is 64 minus 40 is 24. So x square plus y square plus z square is 24. Now putting the value of x plus y plus z is 8, xy, yz plus zx is 20, and x square plus y square plus z square is 24, which we have just calculated. Okay. Let's put all these values in this equation. That is the first one. So x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus z raised to 3 minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus zx. So this is x plus y plus z is 8 into, this is 24 minus 20. 24 minus 20 is 4. That means 8 into 4 is 32. The value of this expression, x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus z raised to 3 minus 3xyz is 32. Okay, I think this is Hope you have understood it. You can just go through it once more. Thing will be clear. You try to solve it on your own. When you try to solve on your own, then you will really understand how it is to be done. One more example. Now, this is a rather a special case, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to this. This is the identity which we learned. Now, suppose if this A plus B plus C is 0, if A plus B is plus 0 is there, then what will happen? X raised to 3 plus Y raised to 3 plus Z raised to 3 minus 3ABC will become 0 into the second bracket. And 0 into anything is 0. So that means A raised to 3 plus B raised to 3 plus C raised to 3 minus 3ABC will become 0. Take this minus this side, it will become 3ABC. That means you get that new identity. If A plus B plus C is 0, then A raised to 3 plus B raised to 3 plus C raised to 3 is equal to 3ABC. Okay. Now, let us evaluate the value. 48 raised to 3 minus 30 raised to 3 minus 80 raised to 3. Now, if you see this, we know that A, x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus z raised to 3 is this. This is the identity. In this question, x is 48, y is minus 30, and z is minus 18. So x plus y plus z is 48 minus 30 minus 18. That is 48 minus 48, that is 0. So since x plus y plus z is 0, therefore x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus z raised to 3 will be 0 into this will be 0, which is equal to x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 plus z raised to 3 is equal to 3xyz. That means 48 raised to 3 minus 30 raised to 3 minus 18 raised to 3 will be just equal to 3 into 48 into minus 30 into minus 18. Multiply the four numbers. Minus minus becomes plus. So you'll get a positive answer. 77,760 is your answer. That means if you multiply 48 three times, 30 three times, 18 three times, okay, subtract this through two q's with this, you will get this as the answer. This is easier way of it. Now, see, choose the correct answer. This is a special case here. If a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 and c raised to 1 by 3 is 0, then a plus b plus c is 0, or a plus b plus c whole cube is 27abc, or a plus b plus c is equal to 3abc, or a raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus c raised to 3 is 0. Let us see. Yeah, what is given here? A raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 plus c raised to 1 by 3 is 0. This is given. Now let us take this p term this side. It becomes a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus c raised to 1 by 3. Take the cube of both the sides. Taking cube of both sides becomes a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3 is equal to minus c raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3. A plus b whole cube identity here. A raised to 3 plus b raised to 3 plus 3 a raised a into b plus a plus b is equal to minus c 1 by 3 raised to 3. So here what happens? 1 by 3 into 3, the 3 cancels, only a, this is only b. 3 a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3. And what is this? This is nothing but, see from here we get a raised to 1 by 3 plus b raised to 1 by 3 is minus c raised to 1 by 3. So instead of this, I substitute minus c raised to 1 by 3. Okay. Now, into here this 3 will become only 3 minus c. So now you see here a plus b plus minus c, bring it this side, plus b is c. And because of this minus, it will become, this will be a negative term. All this will come this side. So 3 a raised to 1 by 3, b raised to 1 by 3, c raised to 1 by 3. Okay. So a plus b, now take the cube of both sides. A plus b plus c whole cube is equal to plus 3 a raised to 1 by 3, b raised to 1 by 3, c raised to 1 by 3 raised to 3. This 3 power will cancel all those 3. It becomes 3 cube is 27. So a plus b plus c whole cube is 27 ABC. So your answer is B bit. Okay. So the question directly we are not asking you. We need to slightly do it in a different way because you are a ninth standard student. We expect some little difficult questions also from you. Okay. So now let me tell you about myself. I am K Vijay Raju, a mathematics teacher, and I am teaching and preparing the students of class 10 for the board exam for the past 30 years. If you like my method of explanation, you want to be trained for your 10th class board exam coming year, you can WhatsApp me at the number given below with your name, place, and school name. I usually charge 30,000 for the entire course of 10 months. If you book now, I'll offer it for 20,000 for the entire course of 10 months. So sooner you start, because better your results. Because you all know that by April 1st, all schools will start functioning and they'll start with the next academic year. So I think it is better you start soon so that we get sufficient or ample time to revise at the end of the year so that our confidence will be better. So I hope you have liked it. So if you have liked it, please click on the subscribe button and the like button before closing this. My channel is Easy Learning Thing. This is my number. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more lessons. Subscribe. Once you subscribe, you will get all my new things. Okay, so that's it.